Looking for the best in science education? At Sylvia Modern Academy, our state-of-the-art chemistry and biology labs bring learning to life. Modern apparatus, hands-on experiments, and a safe, engaging environment. Enroll today, Sylvia Modern Academy, where future scientists are made.
Proudly sponsored by ScholastiX.